Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off USB debugging. So what we want to do on an Android phone is swipe on down from the top right, go to settings. Now under settings we need to enable the developer options if we don't already have this enabled. So go on down to about phone, click this, then go on down to where it says software information, otherwise build number might be under here. So go to build number, tap this 5 times. Back out. Now we can go to developer options and find it under there, but I'm just going to go to search and type in USB right here, and we should be able to find USB debug, and it should pop open right here, and we can simply just go to it now. So it's under developer options, USB debugging. Just click it and it'll scroll all the way down to it for you, so you don't have to scroll on down and find it. So it's right here. We can simply just turn this off, debug mode, and connected to USB. It's connected here. So just turn off or on right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.